In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a SurveyMonkey survey for free using the 2 free collection methods available inside your account. This is a simple way to start gathering responses without needing to overcomplicate the setup. And it's great if you just want to share your survey quickly and get answers from real people. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Now let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for your survey and click on Survey. This opens the survey editor where you can review everything before sending it out. If you haven't finished building your questions yet, this is the place to double check your wording, your answer choices, and your overall flow. When you're ready to distribute it, click on Publish Survey. This takes you to the collection options, where SurveyMonkey gives you different ways to send your survey depending on your plan and your goals. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the free methods, so you don't need to pay to get started. After you click Publish, you'll see that there are 2 free ways to collect responses. The first option is to share a link. This is usually the easiest method because SurveyMonkey gives you a direct survey link that you can copy and send anywhere. You can paste it into an email, a message, a social media post, or even share it in a group chat. Anyone with the link can open the survey and submit a response, which makes this a fast and flexible option. The second free option is to use the website method. This is useful if you want to place the survey on a web page or share it through a website-based experience. Depending on how you're using your survey, this can be a better option if you want responses collected in a more embedded or branded way. If you already have a site, this gives you another free path to reach your audience. So the basic workflow is very simple. Go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, click Publish Survey, and then choose one of the 2 free collection methods. If you want the fastest setup, use the Share a Link option. If you want to collect responses through a website, choose the website option. Either way, you can start sending your survey without needing to manually invite people one by one inside the editor. A helpful tip here is to test your survey link before you share it widely. Open the link in a new tab, make sure the questions load properly, and confirm that the survey looks good on both desktop and mobile. That way you can catch any issues before your audience sees them. Also, if you plan to send the survey in an email, keep your message short and clear so people understand why you're asking for their feedback. And that's it. That's how to send a SurveyMonkey survey for free using the available collection options. If you found this useful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.